In northern Tanzania, in East Africa's Great Rift Valley, lies Olduvai Gorge, one of the most famous early human fossil sites ever discovered. For decades, the husband and wife team of Mary and Louis Leakey scoured the barren hillsides under an intense equatorial African sun, searching for the remains of our ancestors. For almost 30 years, they searched and found many ancient animal remains and stone tools, but no bones of the actual tool makers. Why did they spend so much effort in this desolate landscape? Because, like all of us, they wanted to know who we are as a species and how we came to be the way we are. Eventually, their work paid off with the discovery of dozens of fossils of early human ancestors, or hominids, including this remarkably complete skull of a creature known as robust Australopithecine. Many of these discoveries made by the Leakeys are shown to the left, superimposed on the geological strata that they and subsequent researchers have figured out at Olduvai Gorge. Bed 1 was dated to about 1.8 million years ago by measuring the ratio of potassium and argon in the volcanic ash layers surrounding the fossil strata. Bed 1 contains fossils of early hominids called Australopithecus, and also the remains of the earliest members of our own genus, Homo habilis. As the law of superposition would suggest, younger layers sit atop older ones and contain fossils of later species like Homo erectus. In this chapter, we will begin to learn the names and the features that characterize fossils that belong to our hominid lineage. But we have to understand how hominins are identified in the first place. What exactly is a hominid, and why did hominids evolve? Who were the first hominids, and what was their evolutionary fate? In other words, what happened to them? Why are they no longer alive? Before we launch into the large and growing fossil record of early hominids, let's consider how scientists even identify hominid fossils.